One of the most important approach used in drug designing is rational drug design. Rational drug design is a more focused approach that uses greater knowledge about the drug receptor or one of its natural ligands as a basis to design, identify, or create drug leads. Testing is usually done with one or two models based on the therapeutic target. The drug design component often involves molecular modeling and the use of quantitative structure activity relationships to better define the physicochemical properties and pharmacophore groups that are essential for biological activity. The development of QSAR studies relies on the ability to examine multiple relationships between physical properties and biological activities. Quantitative structure activity relationship uses parameters assigned to the various functional groups and modifies the structure of a compound. These parameters or descriptors are a measure of the potential contribution of its group to a particular property of the parent drug. In a typical procedure, a series of related compounds are examined and the relevant parameters of their substituent groups compared with the biological activities of the compounds. The pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic property of the molecule depends upon the solubility, electronic and steric features of the molecule. So this is the equation of biological activity. Log BA equals to A log P plus B sigma plus E C E S. QSAR descriptors. First one solubility parameters, second one electronic parameters, third one steric parameters. So in the first one, the solubility parameters include water solubility, partition coefficient, hand substituent constant, fragmentation constant, chromatographic Rm value. Electronic parameters includes Hammett substituent constant, inductive substituent constant, Taft substituent constant, Swain-Lipton constant. Third one steric parameters, which includes Taft steric substituent constant, Charton steric constant, molar refractivity, molecular connectivity, sterimole parameter and Paracor. Among all these QSAR descriptors, we will discuss only partition coefficient under solubility parameter, Hammett substituent constant under electronic parameter and Taft steric substituent constant under steric parameter. Partition coefficient. In order to reach its site of action, drugs must possess interactive properties with both lipoidal biomembrane and aqueous biophase. The first step in drug transport is a slow diffusion of drug through membrane. This process is very slow and highly dependent on the molecular structure of the drug. Lipophilicity is a measure of drug solubility in biological lipid membranes. It can be measured by distribution of the drug between an aqueous and non-aqueous phase. So there is an equation where partition coefficient log P equals to compound in organic phase by compound in aqueous phase into 1 minus alpha, where alpha is the degrees of the dissociation of compound in water. Colander model for the drug transport to its site of action and the relative potency of the drug is expressed as log 1 by C equals to K1 into log P plus K2. So the optimum log P refers to the balance between aqueous and lipid solubility and results in good biological activity response. The estimation of log P can be done by shake flask method. Electronic parameters. The distribution of electrons in its structure determines the type of bond the drug forms with its target and ultimately it results in biological activity. Electronic parameters quantify these qualities by giving a value which is a measure of electron donating or electron withdrawing power. The electronic parameter sigma depends on the electronic properties of the substituents on the ring, hence it is known as substituent constant. Under this we will discuss about Hammett substituent constant. Hammett proposed that the electronic effects of a set of substituents should be similar for different organic reactions. The electron withdrawing group attached to the aromatic benzoic acid would increase the acid strength of the carbonyl group, and it increases with electron withdrawing power. Substituent constants are assigned to groups according to their influence on the acid strength of benzoic acid. Sigma x equals to log of kx by k naught, where log k, which can also be written as log kx minus log k naught, where k naught is the dissociation constant for benzoic acid and kx is the dissociation constant for substituted benzoic acid. Electron withdrawing groups in X pulls electron density from carboxylic acid group to the ring and makes it more acidic. Electron donating groups in X decreases the acidic strength of carboxylic acid. More conveniently, Hammett's substituent constant can be expressed as sigma x equals to pKa0 minus pKax, where acid strength of benzoic acid is 4.19, whereas acid strength of substituted benzoic acid is 4.36. So the change in acid strength brought about by the methyl group is minus 0.17. The value of sigma x for a specific substituent containing both inductive and mesomeric contributions, so it varies with the position of substituent. Hence, Hammett's substituent constants are a measure of both inductive and mesomeric effects. Electron withdrawing groups in X pulls electron density from carboxylic acid group to the ring and makes it more acidic. Electron donating groups in X decreases the acidic strength of carboxylic acid. More conveniently, Hammett's substituent constant can be expressed as sigma x equals to pKa0 minus pKax, where acid strength of benzoic acid is 4.19, whereas acid strength of substituted benzoic acid is 4.36. So the change in acid strength brought about by the methyl group is minus 0.17. The value of sigma x for a specific substituent containing both inductive and mesomeric contributions, so it varies with the position of substituent. Hence, Hammett's substituent constants are a measure of both inductive and mesomeric effects.